guys, clutter sometimes can be our biggest headaches. I'm going to tell you some organizers that can help fix the biggest clutter problems. Starting out in the closet, I had an area in my closet that was just a pile of shoes. And I kid you not, I did not have any more shelves in there, and it just became a pile of shoes. One thing that fixed this problem for me was a shoe organizer. And I like this one because they're dividers and it's adjustable. Like you can pull out the dividers, push them in, make the space bigger or smaller, and you can fit so many shoes in here. Anything from flip-flops to tennis shoes to clogs. I mean, you can fit so many different shoes in here. And like 2 pair of sandals, I can fit in one little section. And then some of my bigger, thicker shoes or pillow shoes took up one section each. My tennis shoes was like one section each, but you can put so many shoes in here. The top has a clear cover, so you can literally see which shoe you're looking for, which is nice. And you can store this in a lot of areas, whether you wanted to store shoes you don't wear often or off-season things. You can put these in mud rooms. You know, if you have like a bench or something that you want to be able to keep shoes in, you can use these there. You can use these in so many spaces, but if you have a shoe problem and you're trying to figure out how to store them, a shoe organizer could be extremely helpful. Another item that became very helpful for me was a bread box. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I have 2 bread boxes. I have one for bread in my pantry, and then I also have another bread box I'm using in my kitchen on my counter for my medicines and supplements for me and the family and the kids. And I did that because it was a problem child for me. For us, we were leaving supplements and pills and medicines on the counter. They were not getting put up in the cabinets or the drawers. So the counter became the permanent place for them. So I just had to find a way to store them on the counter so people could still reach them and grab them because, again, it's a family here. So it's not just me. It's me, my husband, my kids. So I did a bread box that can hide the clutter. It has a shelf on top so you can still stick things on top too. And sometimes the vitamins end up there and it's okay. At least it's in a space, okay? But yeah, I like that it's an easy open door. You can stick them in there and close it. So this is huge. It can store all of our vitamins and supplements, but it's also great to use for bread or things you want to store on your counter, but you just want hidden and not just like out as a sore thumb. But that's another thing that solved in a tremendous clutter problem for us. Now, when it comes to my bathroom drawer, one organizer set that has been amazing is this Ripple drawer organizing set. I love them because they stack and they slide. And that's one thing that helped me to maximize the space in my drawer. When something stacks and it slides, it not only doubles your space, but it makes it easily accessible too because you can just slide organizers out the way to get what's under them. So I love this set and I hope it's still in stock because I did not look. I will have them linked. They're just one of my absolute favorites. They're not only beautiful, but they're super, super, super functional. And you get several different sizes so you can fit all of your little things in there. It worked out perfect for a bathroom drawer because I could put contacts and small stuff. I have a set for glasses and then just all my stuff that I needed easy access to and not just piled in a drawer, which makes it hard to look for when you're looking for something. They're literally organized so I can easily find what I'm looking for. So love those. Another thing that's helpful to organizing a space are clear acrylic dividers. Dividers helps you to break that space up. So again, you're making things more easy to access. And I got some in my bathroom. I have them separating my towels in my bathroom because again, when they're all just up there, sometimes it may be hard to get, but when I can separate them out and divide them up, it just makes it easy to put up, easy to take down. Same in my closet. You can use these to separate sweatshirts and jeans and different things. So like if stuff is getting muddy and it's just becoming a disaster, get the dividers to help break that space up. Another super helpful thing that I got for my closet, and this is for my son's closet, was a hanging organizer. He has a basic closet. I didn't feel like DIYing anything, but I needed some shelves. And so one thing I did, I found this hanging organizer that has shelves in it. So you can literally use the shelves, but it also gave you your hanging space back because at the very bottom, there's a hanging space. So I still was able to use hanging space to hang things like shirts and jeans, but I also got some shelves in his closet so I can fold things up like blankets and sweatshirts and anything chunky that I didn't want hung up, but I needed folded instead. So this one, I love, y'all. I swear by it. I love it. It's inexpensive and you don't have to worry about like DIY in the closet, but it gives you that organization you might be looking for without breaking the bank. Now, another helpful organizer was this white storage container that I grabbed from Walmart, actually. It's inexpensive, but it's heavy duty, and you can use this for so many things, whether cleaning supplies, things in a cabinet, crafts, office supplies. I mean, you can literally use this bin for anything, and I really love them because it's definitely helped me clean up some spaces. The things you can do with this bin is limitless. Another thing for me is paper clutter, and I keep paper everywhere. So one thing that kind of helped in my office were photo storage boxes. And with these, I can keep easy access to papers that I need and bills and things that I need to do. And so instead of it sitting on my desk, I can just pop them into the photo storage box. And if you want your space to look clean, you can use these, like not just for photos, you can actually use this to tackle your paper clutter as well. So I love me beautiful photo storage containers because again, they're easy access, but they look good as well. And you can use these for a lot of things, whether you want to use them for photos or if you want to use them to tackle your paper clutter, but still have access. It's still sitting on your desk, but it's just hidden. So if you need some help with spices, okay, this is an easy fix without having to move bottles and transfer things. A spinning organizer could be super useful because that way you instantly can see and find what you're looking for, and it doubles your space as well, which is nice. I like that it also has a larger area in the center so you can put your taller bottles there, but then all your seasonings you can put along the rest of the rack, and it spins and it organizes your space without feeling overwhelming. So if you don't feel like changing jars or adding labels, any of that, something like this can be an instant fix, and it helps you to see what you're looking for and organizes your spices right off the bat. I love hats. And one thing that helped me with my love of hats, actually me and the hubs love hats, is a hat organizer. So if you want a way to get those hats together and out of piles, and also from getting bent up, a hat organizer could be very helpful too, because this one that I have is stackable, so you can stack as many as you want. So if you want one for you, your spouse, or you need all of them for yourself, you can put a lot of hats in them and stack them, and then you don't have to worry about them getting bent. So I love a good hat organizer, and this has definitely helped me with my hats. Another item too that's been so helpful for us are wall storage baskets. Now, I feel like our walls are just not used enough. They are literally an unused space that we could utilize so much more. So wall baskets you can use for practically anything. And I have one in my son's room for trucks and toys. I have one along our hall over here for things that need to go downstairs. You can use them for a lot. I got one that we use for mail too. You can use these for several different things in your home. But if you have some wall space and you need to find a way to store something, definitely feel free to use wall baskets because they can be extremely helpful as well. So there you go, you guys. Hopefully you found these items helpful. I will leave everything linked below, and I'll also pop up a QR code if you want to shop them as well too. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment as well. And if you haven't subscribed, I love to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video as well.